So let's bring up the Python command line first before we go to the GUI. And so this is what it looks like. And one would be tempted to be able to copy and paste over the program into the command line in order to immediately run it. And this, however, will fail. Let me demonstrate and illustrate this fact. Let's actually take the initial loop that does the brute force method by initializing result to 0, and then type for I in range of 1 and 101, which is the one that gives us all the numbers from 1 to 100. And now if I hit return, you'll see that the interpreter now has the line continuation mark with the 3 dots, and now I have to indent it, and I'm going to use the Python standard of 4 spaces, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I will do the addition, where I say result equals result plus I. And when I hit return now, as you'll see, then the cursor returns to the beginning of the line. If I would continue to try to loop and make the next statement also part of the loop, I would have to actually indent by 4 spaces again and type the next statement. However, I'm done here. So in order to actually execute the loop, I now have to simply hit return. And now I can actually say print and then result, and then concatenate that with the conversion to string of the result. And that's basically it. And I didn't take any time, so that is then not necessary here. I just execute that and get that the result actually is 50-50. I could have also gotten the result by just type the variable name, which is result, and the interpreter would have actually given me back the 50-50 as well. So that works. However, what usually then does not work is copying pasting, because the initial return that signifies the end of the indentation, the end of the loop, the end of the block, usually is not present in source code. So the interpreter really then misinterprets this as a wrong indentation, and that's why copy and pasting will result in a syntax error at this point.